Futurelooks COMPUTEX 2011 coverage is brought to you by Kingston's new HyperX plug-and-play memory kits, NZXT's crafted gaming armor, and Gigabyte's G1 Killer Series gaming motherboards.
Hello, this is PM from CoolMaster. My name is Wei, and today I'm going to talk about a new power supply from CoolMaster. This is our new series called 7 Pro Hybrids. I'm going to briefly talk about a few features of this power supply. First of all, this is the fully modules, and it's designed based on the 80 Plus Go. The best thing of this is we come up with the control panel. By the control panel, you are able to switch the fanless mode or the manual mode. By the fanless mode, under 200 watt, this power supply will be totally fanless. And after 200 watt, the fan will rotate, spin by the lowest RPM, which is controlled by the power supplies. If you select the fan manual mode, then you will be able to control the fan speed from this switch. You get able to control the fan speed of the power supply, which is give a better cooling either for your system or for your power supply. In the back of this function panel, you have an additional 3 control for the cast fan. So in this way, you can control the cast fan together with this cone. So your power supply will be in charge of the controller noise level of the whole system. That's a basic feature of this 7 Pro Hybrid.
Hello everyone, I'm showing you the Cooler PM in CoolMaster, and I would like to introduce 2 of our latest new products displayed in COMPUTEX 2011. First product is actually we haven't got a name on it, so it's called Project AL2. It's an all-in-one liquid cooling system with a maintenance-free design. And in the past, we only show some of the product, but this time we displayed the real ID parts of the product. So you can see that it's all-in-one module with the pump inside and the water block inside, and we also have a radiator module with a fan on. Right now it's the basic model, so it's come with a radiator, smaller radiator with a 120 fan. But in the future, we also planning to have a more advanced version with 2 fans and a longer radiator. And the key of our product, the different part, is that we use a very powerful, more DIY level pump inside our system. So the flow rates are rather high compared to competitor design. It's around 450 liters per hour. So if you switch to a more advanced radiator, actually the flow rate is high enough to maintain the system running well. And another key design of our product is that this diffusion bonding water block. It's a brand new kind of water block only seen on more advanced product like the aftermarket DIY water block. So basically it's a lot of copper meshes with a very thin dimension and with different patterns. So we stick them together and use high heat and high temperature to bond them into one. So it looks solid, but actually got the tiny gaps between the layers. So when the water goes through that, the contact area is way bigger than normal design. However, the flow resistance is still low compared to the micro channels most of the competitors use. So in summary is that the flow rate is higher and the resistance is lower and the cooling efficiency is better. So this is 2 major keys of our AL2 system. Next product, we want to introduce our product. It's originally codenamed S600, but actually we will call it X6 for commercial when launched. This is a project beginning for our Chinese market, but we will also have the international version later on. So you can see It's a 6 heat pipe cooler. Although the two of the heat pipes are actually hiding under the top cover for aesthetic reason, and this cooler is got a more gaming look, but it also has some technical difference. The first one is about the fin. Using a very special wave-shaped fin to with a different direction, so it looks like a honeycomb structure compared to normal flat fins. And the benefit is that it actually have a larger contact area compared to normal design. And you also got some turbulence to make the airflow better. You can see actually it's a very strange angle, the button. The reason is that when you're mounting this cooler inside a tall chassis, it will look like this. So it actually 10-degree incline compared to normal rectangular design. The reason is that most of the tall chassis, the intake is actually in a lower part, and and blowing out from the top fan and the rear fan, so the airflow is like working like this. So we keep a little bit angle to match the airflow, so the performance is a little bit better than conventional rectangular design. But to make it still compatible with most of the chassis, we don't want to have the interference issue, so we cannot have the angle too deep, so we only have the 10-degree inclination. So that's the two of the special part of this cooler. And right now it's red for the Chinese market, but we are also thinking to launch it in other color for the international market.